I am Kaye Berjot, and I am making a syrup called Be Calm, and it's a part of my Ready Made Remedies line of products. So the syrup we're making today is a lemony flavor profile. It's a blend of proprietary herbs. If you're feeling a little bit stressed out, you can take 2 teaspoons of it. You can also take a teaspoon and put it in some water, hot water, or your own other types of teas, lemon teas, things like that. It's yummy and it's low glycemic index, so it's not going to spike your blood sugar. And overall, it's going to just calm you down. Honestly, why I love Shared Ground is that I get guidance. It's not just me by myself trying to figure out how to make the best. It's me being able to lean on the expertise of the kitchen managers to help me better my product and to ensure that it passes all of the rules and regulations that it needs to.